The Dark Titles, written by Brian Fairbairn McGregor on Tuesday the 21st of November 2023. The short story, Vending Machine.
Gunter, Gunter, where are you? And don't say you at the vending machines again, honestly. Yeah, Luther, just a little. But I was thinking of you while I was here. Really, I was. Oh yeah, I know exactly what you are thinking. You were thinking what to say when I caught you and then offered me a coffee, No, yeah. I wasn't thinking like that at all. As I was thinking what I was meaning. I was only thinking pleasantly of you. Oh, yeah. Okay, Gunter. Now you don't find well that isn't true. As I at all, now is it, yeah? Yeah. Look, one of these times it's bound to be true, that. Well, it's the best I can do, as you know yourself, yeah. Yeah, wonderful. You know, you're too kind sometimes, Gunter. As you could at least get me a coffee, as one would be nice. Yeah, I'm working towards it, I am. And I will get there eventually, which means at some point. Yeah, Gunter, yeah. Yet more interruptions into a hard day's work, yeah? Yeah. I'm sure about that, yeah. And I wouldn't want to interrupt your own hard work by too much now. No, yeah. No, probably not, no. I never buy you one of them. As you manage anyway to do the skype yourself. I mean, get interrupted alone. Oh, God. Yeah, it happens. I, Luther, blame my schedule. It's very consuming. Yeah, it is that alright, Gunter. Consuming hot drinks all day. I don't know how you manage any work on any day while here's you. Yeah, Luther. I'm not answering that one, trust me. Yeah, well, I've noticed, Gunter, believe it or not, but you've been here a good 10 minutes. Yeah, Luther. It's been good to ya. It's just that I'm spoiled for the choices. There's many choices. Coffee there. Oh, coffee here. Yeah, Gunter. I was thinking more of waste time there. Waste time here. And drink coffee doing both, yeah. Yeah, Luther. You see, I'm a connoisseur of the coffee. and I take my time with them to pick the best. Yeah, I'm going to translate. I dug, dodge, and dive for an hour. The blame it on coffee choice. Yeah, Luther. Always the pessimist, yeah. As coffee choice is important when picking the coffees in the store. No kidding, Gunter. But I stocked up today, yeah. Probably no one my better idea. No. No, Luther. That was the best one to date. Other than employ me, as you know, yeah. Okay, I'll go to... Perhaps bring you one now, yeah. And that'll be one I can drink, so make it drinkable, yeah. Oh, yeah, again. I've done that before, but sure, okay. Now you're getting a nice coffee, cup and teaspoon too, yeah. Yeah, about time as well. You stand and gape at those machines like live forever. It's no jokes, yeah. Yeah, I know, but if I could manage longer than that, I would. You can bet on that. Yeah, I don't doubt that, Gunter, yeah. Anyway, hurry up. And get back here. We have things to do, yeah. Okay, I hear you, Luther. And here is your coffee, enjoy. Yeah, thank you, Gunter, yeah. They better not be having wonky with this coffee. I know of your tricks, yeah. Yeah, I know. I won't do it with you, yeah. No. Yeah, come on. Let's get into these files like today. I know you can't put your sticky coffee cup on the invoices as it's arty. No, I'm on the ramble. It looks nice if you ask me. I've done the art, yeah. Yeah, of course you have, yeah. Come on, Gunter. Let's do something today then, yeah. And I mean the verbs, yeah. Yeah, Luther. Oh. God. Let's just wait and see what happens. Hold out for hope, yeah. Yeah. Okay, fair enough. Go back to the machine, Gunter. I might get peace at least, yeah. Yeah, Luther. Now you would think that, wouldn't you, yeah? But we'll see how that goes too. Yeah, won't be just.
The End, and a Brian Fredward McGregor production on Tuesday the 21st of November 2023.